Hello everybody. So today we are gonna just remove the uh this Jane motion. So let me just show you. So we have this virtual machine. So let's delete this first, and let us close this. So there are few things that we need to take into consideration. So if we just go in the download and ls uh, then do pipe, then breathe Genie mobile motion, right? So we have this folder. So what we want to do is to remove this folder. So we can do sudo rm rf so that will forcefully remove the Genymotion folder. So let's do enter, and now we have removed it. So now what we have left is the uh, uh, desktop, right? So if we just do Jenny motion, so we don't have. So what we can see is failed to execute command. So it's on this Genymotion failed to no such file or the directory. So what we can do next is to just remove. So one more thing, if you are installing this Genymotion with all the user, so you can go to cd, then you can go up. So if we do ls, so I have only this you I have installed this for only this user, so I don't have that. So you need to remove the file, so that will be created over here. And next one would be to just go on the config file. So let's go inside the config file ls. So here you can see the so let's search for the um, so do we have that? So I think we don't have the uh Zen mobile, so we don't have config file over here. So if we don't have config file, so we can go inside user share, then applications. So we we can go inside over here, and we can just grip the uh so let's do. So do we have the desktop setting over here for so so here let's see. So we have game desktop. So and mm, so we don't geo close z calculator. So we don't have. If you find the desktop, right? So if you just restart the machine, then that option should also go. So thank you guys.